So ayan, breaker ba ang hanap nyo? Meron tayo dito ng KLS DQ brand, direct current DC, C 32 amp and 63 amp DC and 32 amp. So itong connection na to is from solar panel. To yan, 32 amp papunta ng ACC, and from battery, yung battery natin 63 amp punta na ACC, and from ACC naman yung load niya is papunta ng ating load. Bali ang setup natin is fully 12 volts DC. So yan, i-on natin yung ACC natin and i-on natin yung breaker. So ito naka on and off yan sa load yan. So yun yung ilaw natin.